Welcome to the Vendo tutorial for setting up discount vouchers. In the coupon section on your dashboard, select Add New Coupon. The coupon name is the actual code that shoppers will use to claim the discount at checkout. So use something short and memorable. Add a description, pick the desired discount type and add a percentage or rand value. You can restrict emails if you wish to limit the voucher to specific shoppers. This works well for running giveaways. Add a usage limit and set the amount of times every shopper can use the code. Exclude sale items if you do not wish to give shoppers discount on top of existing discounts on your products. Set a minimum purchase amount and select the products you want people to use it for. Exclude any products you don't want people to use it for. And finally, decide whether or not you want to display it publicly on your shop page. This is handy to lure shoppers from social media to your shop page before they get their hands on that discount. Let us know if you require any assistance.